Good morning, ma'am. Since I can find a Fibonacci sequence in golden ratio outside because I am sick, here's my presentation about golden ratio in Fibonacci sequence. Golden ratio. The golden ratio, also known as the divine proportion, is a mathematical concept that is often found in nature, arts, and design. It is also number that we find when you divided a line into two parts. The whole length is divided by the long part is equal to the long part divided by the short part. Here's the golden ratio is in. This is the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of number in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. It all start in 0 and 1, and each subsequent number is found by adding the two number before it. So the sequence goes like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Sunflowers. The seed in the center of a sunflower are also arranged in a spiral pattern. If you count the number of clockwise spirals and the number of counterclockwise spiral, you will tap. Scales on the pine cones are arranged in spiral patterns. If you count the number of spiral in one direction and the number of spiral in the opposite direction, you will often find consecutive Fibonacci number. Of example, you might observe 8 spiral in one direction and 13 spiral in the opposite direction.